Good morning, grade 10. So we are doing ninth problem from set 2.6. Now see, it says if 460 is divided by a natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. So it is obvious dividend is 460, remainder they have given 1. Now if we take divisor as x, which is a natural number, then quotient will be 5 times more, 6 more than 5 times of it there. 5 times the divisor and 6 more. So 6 more and 5 times is 5x plus 6. So this will be your quotient. Now you know this formula since your lower classes you are learning. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 460 will be equal to divisor is x, which is a natural number, into 5x plus 6 bracket complete plus 1. Multiply these two, you get 5x square plus 6x is equal to 1. So we have 460 is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Shifting this to that side, we get 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460. So this comes out to be minus 459. Now ask questions. What should be your product? Product should be minus 459 into 5x square. So this should be your product. And your subtraction should be plus 6. Now students, if the numbers are bigger or greater, then split them up. See, 45 plus 9 can be split as 9 into 51. 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9. So this you have now minus 9 into 51 into 5. Now by error and trial you have to do different combinations. So you get two numbers, so subtraction comes out to be 6. Look here, no? 9 5s is 45 and this is 51. 51 minus 45 is nothing but 6. So you got the two numbers. So your numbers are, but bigger number should have plus sign. So your numbers are plus 51x and minus 45x. So let us substitute this over here in this equation. We get 5x square minus 45x. Now while writing also, do not write plus 51 over here. 51 and 5, nothing can be taken common. So little common sense you have to use. Please put minus 45x plus 51x minus 459 is equal to 0. Now among these two you can take 5x common. Inside will remain x minus 5 plus 51 taken out. Inside will be x minus 9 because 51 into 9 is 459. See, 51 into 9 is 459. So if 51 is taken out, inside will remain 9. Now these two brackets are same, that will be taken out. You get x minus 9 into 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. So either x will be plus 9 or 5x will be equal to minus 51 and therefore x comes out to be minus 51 upon 5. Now see students, divisor let it be x, but it is given it is a natural number. Natural number can't be negative, no? Counting numbers we start with plus 1 and therefore minus 51 upon 5 cannot be your answer. So your divisor will be what? So I'm just erasing this. I'm erasing from here, okay? Find out the answers. What are we supposed to find? Find the quotient and the divisor. So what is divisor? So divisor cannot be negative. Therefore, x will only be plus 9, which is equal to divisor. And now we have to find quotient also. What is quotient? 5x plus 6. So which is equal to 5 into 9 plus 6. Alright. So what this comes out to be? This is 45 plus 6, which comes out to be 51. Okay. So you have divisor as 9 and quotient as 51. I hope it is clear. Let's quickly go to the next problem. Now look at the 10th problem. You know ABCD is trapezium and its area is given as 33. What is area of trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. So height is given as AM. So I have written here AM. Now these are fill in the blanks or complete the flow chart or complete the proof type question. So whatever is red, which is given in your notebook as fill in the blank, I have marked it with red pen. Okay, now this is 33 is equal to half x plus 2x plus 1. Addition of this and this. Alright, this whole is 2x plus 1. Into an is given as x minus 4. Now this 2 is transferred over here. It becomes 66, which is equal to 1x plus 2x is 3x plus 1 into x minus 4. Now this is not given in textbook. You have to do it on your own. Then only you will be able to reach up till here. Alright. So what we have is 66 is equal to 3x multiply by this bracket plus 1 multiply by this bracket. So 66 is 3x square minus 12x plus x minus 4. So taking all at one side, you get 3x square. This comes out to be minus 11x minus 4x. Shifted over here, minus 66 is equal to 0. Now working out this, you get this as minus 70. Now it is actually minus 11x, but in your book plus sign is given. So I have put in box minus 11x because plus into minus will be minus. You should be actually putting this into bracket. Two signs can be written together, no? So put bracket over here. Alright? Fine. Now see 3x square minus 21 x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0. How this came? Now this is a quadratic equation. What should be the product? 70 into 3. So your product should be 3 into 70 into x square. Can you see over here? This is your product. Now split 70. 70 can be written as 7 into 10. So this should be your product and your subtraction should be minus 11. So by trial and error do, if I take 30 into 3, then 30 minus 3 won't be 11. So try with another combination. 7 3s are 21 and 10. 21 and 10 subtraction is 11. So my numbers are, because here it is minus sign, my numbers are minus 21 and plus 10x. So I have put here minus 21 and plus 10x for minus 11x. Now these two, while writing also don't write plus 10x first. 3 and 10 nothing can be taken out then. Alright. So use little common sense and work. Now this 2 you have 3x out, you have x minus 7. Plus x, you have x minus 7 again equal to 0. Among these two, x minus 7 is common. We write common things first, but in your book this is given, so you write accordingly. So take 3x plus 10 and then you write x minus 7 is equal to 0. Work it out. Either this bracket will be 0 or this will be 0. So x will be equal to either minus 10 upon 3 or x will be equal to 7. Once you got x, what is x? AB. AB is asked, so your AB is x. Second CD is asked. CD is 2x plus 1. So 2 into 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. And BC and AD both are equal. What is it? X minus 2. If x is 7, x minus 2 will be 5. That's it. So we have completed all the word problems from set 2.6. Okay. We'll stop. Thank you.